Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Atlas. My name is Darissa. If you're new to the channel, it's been a little while since my last video. I'm still traveling around and I am back with another episode. And in today's episode, I would like to share with you how to manage field level security, what to do in case you can't find the field you're looking for on the page layout, and where to find it and how to troubleshoot. As always, sharing one of my accounts. And in today's episode, we will be discussing my account object and fields on the page layout and how to hide these fields and how to make them visible depending on the user profile. Now, if I go to the setup, here I'm in Salesforce setup, and I have opened profiles. In my playground, I have some out-of-the-box profiles created here. It is possible that you will have in your sandbox or your production org even more profiles like sales, marketing, or engineering, or customers. It can be any profile, and it's possible that you want to hide some fields that you can see on the account page based on these profiles. Now, if I go to my object manager and account object, and let's say I open the page layout, and I will go to the standard account layout. Here in the standard account layout, I will have a long list of various fields, and let's just test it. I'm going to remove, let's say, this field rating. I'm going to remove it and quickly save the page layout. Now, if I open my Salesforce records and refresh the page, then this rating should disappear. I have removed it from page layouts, and I haven't double checked if I'm using the exact page layout, but if I'm using the one that I have just amended, then this field should disappear. Yes, as you can see, the field has disappeared. And now I'm going to put the field back on. I have opened another page because on the previous one it is still loading, even though I have double checked. The page layout is exactly the same. And how you double check if the page layout is the same, you select this gear icon and then click edit page. And in edit page, you should see which page layout are you using on this page. And I double checked for my Blue Jam account. It was the standard one. And we will just have a quick look and see if it's the same in here, which it should be the same. And the rating is back on. Now, if I select this page, I can see account layout is previewed, which is correct. Sometimes it is a bit laggy and takes a bit of time to load the page. So I'll just move on and I will open another sample account. So this is how we're removing from the page layout. That's how you can also protect these fields if you want to hide them from the page layout. For all people who are using this page layout, there's also another way how to hide your fields for specific profiles. Now, if we go back, so ratings, if we find the rating field and we select set field level security, now I'm going to hide this field. You can see that it is visible to all. You can also make it as a read-only field. Your users can't edit this field, but they can still use it and view it, whether in reporting or dashboards. If you completely make it hidden for your users, they won't be able to view it in any reporting. So you can think whether you want to give them full access, read and write, or read only. Now, what I'm going to do, I will remove this field from my profile. Now, so you can see that the value is gone. And now if I go back to accounts and I amend the field level security and make it visible to my profile, click Save. I should be able to see the value I selected before for this particular field and the record. All right, yes, I can see that for this account, the rating is cold, and now it is back on. I can log in as Jane Doe, and I have restricted the field for custom sales profile. All right, the only thing that the user interface is Salesforce Classic, but let's just go with it. If I open accounts, functionality should be exactly the same. So if I open accounts and find Blue Jam account, so it will be a different view. I will open all accounts and there should be this Blue Jam account. As you can see, for Jane, this rating field has disappeared. Field itself has disappeared because Jane has lost the access to this field on the page layout. The field is still on the page layout for other profile users, but not for this current profile. I hope you get the idea. If you want to hide some fields, you can either do it at the page layout level or at the profile level, just by checking some checkboxes at the field level security. That way you are not removing everything or this important information from all profiles and from all users. I hope that you found this episode useful, and I'll see you next time again. Bye-bye.